This Loyal Tiger 4-pack furniture dolly set combines a sturdy carbon steel frame with a reinforced base, giving it the strength to handle very heavy household items with confidence. The generously sized 7-inch platforms and upgraded multi-wheel design roll smoothly while staying gentle on hardwood, tile, and short pile carpet floors. Interlocking panels with an L-shaped edge and grippy rubber pads keep furniture from shifting, so large pieces like sofas or wardrobes feel stable while you move them. The included long-handled lifting bar makes it surprisingly easy for one person to raise bulky items, helped by heightening blocks that give you extra clearance. Built-in locking switches and a pressure-resistant handle hook add an extra layer of safety, helping to keep the dollies and your fingers secure during tight maneuvers. With its complete kit of dollies, lifter, pads, gloves, and storage bag, this set works well as an all-in-one solution for moving furniture and appliances around a home or workshop.